Hello, I'm the HVAC hacker and welcome to my video. Today on my routine maintenance, you hear that? I was taking the belt off and I'm hearing noise coming from my blower wheel. Well, do you see all this rust? That means that these move. See the movement on them? That means they're noisy. I'm surprised there's no noise complaints from this thing running. But listen to that just as it spins. It's a bad wheel, so now I'm gonna write it up. I'm gonna have to come back with the wheel, the bearings, because the bearings have been greased up many times. There's a lot of gibba-gabba greasy goo in there. And then I'm going to take it from there. I can most likely keep this pulley. I am actually probably just going to write it all up so I don't have to mess around with it and just swap it all out. But this is a bad blower wheel, most likely caused from bad bearings or something. The bearings don't seem that bad, but I mean, look at all that. Whenever you see this rusty stuff like this, that's from vibration and rubbing. So, oh, that's where I'm at with this. All right, now we're just waiting for this to come back on. I should just put it into test. In test, I'm tired of waiting. I was hoping it would just want to come on. Unit test. Cool one is like a test. I have 2 compressors. Thanks for watching.